Welcome back. Tonight, we're making something rich, warm, and magical. A molten lava cake. Soft outside, flowing chocolate inside. A dessert that feels like pure royalty. First, melt the chocolate and butter together. Watch how it turns silky and dark, like liquid gold in disguise. Crack in the eggs. Whisk with sugar until light and fluffy. Hear the whisk, feel the air building inside. Now, pour the melted chocolate into the fluffy eggs. Gently fold. See how the colors swirl together, rich and dreamy. A spoon of flour. Sift so the cake stays light. Butter your ramekins. Dust with cocoa, the secret to that perfect release. Pour in the batter. Smooth the tops. Into the oven they go. Just a few minutes. The edges set, the center stays molten. Timing is everything. Now, gently flip. Lift the ramekin, and there it is. Soft cake on the outside. Crack it open and watch the chocolate river flow. Take a bite. Warm, gooey. Thank you for being here in the royal kitchen. Subscribe and let's make something even more delicious next time.